Scrapbookers, this is Megan, and I am back today with a little 5x8 layout using my Scrapbooking store February kit. If you can't tell, because it's definitely not February by the time I'm posting this, I am a little bit behind on my scrapbooking video process layouts. But I am really happy with how this layout turned out. And so I definitely still wanted to share it. So I have my little guest book wedding album that my scrappy bestie Hannah made for Ashley and I. And she pre-made some pages, and then other pages she just cut down to be of the right size to fit in the album. So here I decided to use these two photos, and these are two of my favorite photos from our wedding day. Ellie, my daughter, actually took them with her phone, and I really love our faces in them. In the top one, we're smiling and just really happy, and then the bottom one, she told us to be silly. And so that was a really fun. We both spit our tongues out, and just they're two of my favorite photos. Very us. So I decided to go with a pink background, and I'm just trying to decide if I want to matte the photos or what I'm going to do. And I do decide to matte them on this, I think that's a black piece of paper that has a pattern on it. And because this paper is such an odd size, I'm pretty sure it's 5x8. It was a lot different scrapbooking on such a small space. The smallest I usually scrapbook is 6x8 for December daily. And so this was an inch less than that. So it is quite different. There wasn't a lot of room to do much layering or anything like that, but I did like this little 3x4 card that was one of the 3x4 journaling papers that we got in the kit. And so I'm going to put it right there to the left in the middle of the page. And I'm just going to glue the photo mat down. And I thought it would look nice kind of being more to the right. So that's what I'm doing, is just gluing those things down. Now I'm going to start embellishing with stickers. This sticker said, what does it say? I think it says ice cream cone us. And I was kind of like, what does that even mean? So I put it down, but then I'm going to put a heart over the ice cream cone because that made more sense to me. Then I'm just placing other little hearts and flowers around the layout. I have 3 areas of embellishments. You can see one in the top right, one in the middle left, and then one on the bottom right of that photo. Then I bring in this border sticker, and I really love how that one looks. It's flowery and very me. I am a very floral lover, background lover. So then I am going to just glue this down to the paper. And then I'm going to put the holes in the paper. So I'm going to pull out my little hole punch here. And it had a bunch of papers already stuck in it because sometimes I forget to clean those out and they don't always come out, especially if you're using thick papers. You have to kind of dig them out. But that should be the end of my layout. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure that you like this video and leave me a comment below. If you are married, have you scrapbooked your wedding photos, or are you a procrastinator and have you put it off? Because we got married about 8 months ago and I'm just now starting to get to scrapbooking these photos. I hope that you have a great, wonderful, scrappy day. Bye.